Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go. In the last video we have seen how to build and deploy our Spring Boot application using a Maven build and Maven command, and we have used Java command to run our jar file. So in this video we will work with properties file in Spring Boot. So if you can see, we will be having a properties file in this package resource. So we have application.properties. So after making or after building our application to the jar file, this application.properties file will be included in a jar file. But if you want to change any property value, you have to change the property file and you need to build the whole jar file again. So that is a problem. But there is a way to separate our application.properties file from a jar file. So we can use the external application.properties file. So presently we don't have any property file. Let's introduce a property file and let's see how we can access it in our application. So let's say app.message equal to, this is message from properties file. So we can access this property from our application. Let's go to the controller we have. So here we have made our application as REST controller and we have introduced a simple REST API, that is get request. So here instead of returning this constant value, let's return a value from the application.properties. So we need to access this message, app.message. So there is a simple way to get, let's define a string message. So we have at value annotation. We just need to introduce a dollar and write our key of the property, app.message. So that's it. Our Spring Boot will get the value assigned to this key in a properties file and it will be assigned to this message. So here we will just return a message property. So after accessing this URL, we need to get this message. So this is message from properties file. So let's build and run this file using a Maven. Let's go to the location of POM file. So this is the location of POM file. Let's open a bash here. So let's build Maven clean package. Now we can run our jar file using this command. So our jar name is this one, Spring Demo, and the version name. So it will be in target folder. So our application got started and let's access it. By default it will be running on the port 8080, localhost 8080/hello. So if you can see, we got the message from the properties file.